అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Today we will discuss about the comparator. Comparator. Okay. So first of all, operational amplifier కోసం మాట్లాడుకుందాం. సో దాంట్లో ముఖ్యంగా కొన్ని కేటగిరీస్ ఉంటాయని కూడా చూద్దాం. సో ఏదైనా ముఖ్యంగా ప్రతి దాన్ని మనం ఆపరేషనల్ యాంప్లిఫైర్స్ కోసం మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి సో ఈ ఆపరేషనల్ యాంప్లిఫైర్స్ ఉండే సమ్మింగ్ యాంప్లిఫైర్, డిఫరెన్షియల్ యాంప్లిఫైర్, అలాగే కంపారేటర్స్, ఇంటిగ్రేటర్స్, డిఫరెన్షియేటర్స్, సో వీటన్నిటి కోసం మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటాం యాంప్లిఫైర్స్ లో. సో ముఖ్యంగా లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో చెప్పుకున్నాం. సో మరొకసారి operational amplifier ఏంటో మరొకసారి మళ్ళీ గుర్తు చేసుకుందాం. సో హియర్ ద ఆపరేషనల్ యాంప్లిఫైర్ is a device, is an electronic device, so which can deals with the big electric signal. Okay, it deals with big electric signal. So here the operational amplifier has two input signals and one output signal, okay, and two supplies. So five ఉంటాయి. రెండు input signals, ఒకటి output and రెండు power supplies. అది ఆ input signals here the operational amplifier has two input signals here. First one is inverting input signal and the second one is non-inverting input signal. So here the inverting input signal has negative charge and the non-inverting input signal has positive charge, and here the operational amplifier has also an output signal and two power supplies. So here the first one is positive supply and the another one is negative supply. Okay, so here the operational amplifier can be mainly categorized as three types. Okay, first one is current amplifiers, and second one is the transconductance amplifiers, and the third one is trans resistance amplifiers. Okay, so here the current amplifier is an amplifier. So here the current amplifier receives a current input. Okay, the current amplifier receives a current input and produces a current output. Okay, so the next one is transconductance amplifier. So here the transconductance amplifiers to convert a voltage input. Here the transconductance amplifiers convert a voltage input and to produce a current output. Okay, so here this is about the transconductance amplifier, and the next one is trans resistance amplifier. So here the trans resistance amplifier to convert a current input and to produce a voltage output. Okay, so here these are the main three categories of operational amplifier. Okay, then we will discuss about the comparator. So here a comparator is an electronic circuit. Okay, comparator is an electric circuit which compares the two inputs that are applied to it. And produce an output. Produces an output. Yeah. So here the output value of the comparator indicates the indicates which which of the which of the inputs is greater, which of the inputs is greater or lesser. So the inputs is greater or lesser. So mainly here the output value of the comparator indicates which of the inputs is greater or lesser. Okay, so here please note that the comparator falls under non-linear applications of integrated circuits. Okay, so here the please noted. So ఇది ముఖ్యమైనది, చాలా కీలకమైనది. So please note that the comparator falls under non-linear application integrated circuits. Non-linear. Okay, non-linear integrated applications of non-linear applications of integrated circuits. Okay, so what is that? Once I am telling here, the comparator is an electronic circuit which compares the two inputs so here that are applied to it and produces the output. Okay, here the output value of the comparator indicates which of the inputs is greater or lesser. Okay, so here this is the definition of the comparator, and then we see the circuit symbol of comparator. Okay, so ముందుగా ఒకసారి ఆపరేషనల్ యాంప్లిఫైయర్ సర్క్యూట్ డయాగ్రామ్ చూస్తే so it has the two input signals. Okay, it has two input signals. This is another input signal. So here the input signals has positive charge and negative charge. So here the operational amplifier has the two input signals. So one is non-inverting input signal and another one is inverting input signal. So here the non-inverting input signal has positive charge and here the inverting input signal has a negative charge. Okay, and the operational amplifier has one output signal. One output signal. Okay, and here the operational amplifier has two supplies. First one is positive supply plus PCC and the another one is negative supply is minus VEE and simply named as minus VEE. Okay, So here it is that the operational amplifier has two input signals. One is non-inverting input signal, and here the non-inverting input signal has positive charge, and the another input signal is inverting input signal. So here the inverting input signal has the negative charge, and here the operational amplifier has output signal and two supplies. So here the one supply, first one is positive supply, and the another one is negative supply. Okay, so here the this is the circuit diagram of operational amplifier. So here an operational amplifier. So here the operational amplifier consists of two input terminals, and hence an operational amplifier based comparator compares the two inputs. So here that are applied to and produces the result of comparison as the output. Result of comparison as the output. Okay. So simply this chapter we will discuss about operational amplifier based comparators. Operational amplifiers based comparators. In this chapter discuss about operational amplifier based comparators. Okay. So here the operational amplifier based comparators are mainly categorized as two types. Okay, first one is inverting comparator, and the second one is non-inverting comparator. Okay, so what is that? The comparators are mainly categorized as two types. So first one is inverting comparator, and the another one is non-inverting comparator. Okay, so here the comparator is divided into two types. So first one is inverting comparator, and another one is non-inverting comparator. So here this section discussed about these two types in detail. Okay, so here the first one is inverting comparator. So here we will discuss about the inverting comparator. So here the inverting comparator. Here an inverting comparator is an operational amplifier based comparator for which a reference voltage is applied to its non-inverting terminal, and the input voltage is applied to its inverting terminal. Okay. Here this comparator is called as inverting inverting comparator. So because so here the input voltage which has to be compared is applied to the inverting terminal of operational amplifier. Okay, so here then we will discuss about the circuit diagram of an inverting comparator. Okay, then we will discuss about the circuit diagram of inverting comparator. So it has the two input signals. two input signals, okay, and one output signal. Okay, so here one input signal has negative charge and another input signal has positive charge. Okay, so here this is simply denoted as Vi, and this is the reference. Okay, and it has two supplies. First one is positive supply, simply denoted as plus VCC, and the another one is negative supply, is minus VPT, simply denoted as minus VPT. This is the output. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram of an inverting comparator. Okay, so here in this operation, in this circuit operation, um, the here the operation of an inverting comparator is very simple. Here the operation of an inverting comparator is very easy or very simple. Okay, so it produces one of the two values. So here it produces one of the two values. So that is plus B set and minus B. So that is it produces two signals. So first one is plus B set and the other one is minus B set. So here let the output based on the values of its input voltage is Vi, and the reference voltage is V reference. Okay, so here the output value of an inverting comparator will be minus V set. So for which the input voltage means Vi, here the input voltage Vi is greater than the reference voltage. So here the input voltage is greater than the reference voltage. Okay, so here the output value of an inverting comparator will be plus V set, for which the input is less than for reference voltage, is less than the reference voltage. Okay, so here the inverting comparator has minus V set, the input voltage is greater than the reference voltage. Here the inverting comparator has plus V set, the inverting input, the voltage input is less than the reference voltage. Okay, so for example, let us draw the output waveform of inverting comparator when a sinusoidal input signal and a reference voltage of 0 volts are applied to its inverting and non-inverting terminals respectively. So that we can see the circuit diagram. So this is the inverting comparator. It has two input signals here. So first one is sinusoidal input signal. Sinusoidal input signal. And another input signal is connected to ground. Okay, another input signal is connected to ground. So here the sinusoidal input signal has negative charge and the another input signal has positive charge. And it has one output signal is B output. It is named as B output. And it has two supplies. It is plus VCC and another supply is minus BEE. Okay, minus BEE. So the operation of the inverting comparator is is during the positive half cycle of the sinusoidal input signal, the voltage present at the inverting terminal of operational amplifier is greater than 0 volts. Is greater than the 0 volts. Okay, so hence the output value of the inverting comparator will be equal to minus B sat is equals to minus B sat. Okay, so during the positive half cycle of the sinusoidal input signal, half cycle of the sinusoidal input signal. Okay, so similarly, during the negative half cycle, during the negative half cycle of the sinusoidal input signal, here the voltage present at the inverting terminal of the operational amplifier is less than the 0 volts. For positive, greater than 0 volts. For negative, less than 0 volts. Okay, for positive, greater than 0 volts. For negative, less than 0 volts. Okay, so hence the output value of the inverting comparator will be equal to plus V set. For negative, the output value is equals to plus V set. For positive, the output value is equals to minus V set. Okay, understand? So we will discuss about the input and output waveforms of an inverting comparator when the reference voltage is 0 volts. So here this is the input on x-axis, right? Here this is origin and this is T on x-axis. So here this is a sinusoidal input signal. Sinusoidal input signal. Okay, and then the input and it has P. Here this is plus V set is minus V set. Okay? Plus V set and minus V set. So here this is the origin and here this is the waveform of the inverting input signal plus V set and minus V set is this one. Okay? So here this is output value. Here this is sinusoidal input signal. So here the sinusoidal input signals తీసుకుని చేస్తే sine wave వస్తుంది. Sine wave form and output values ని తీసుకుని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే స్క్వేర్ వేవ్ ఫామ్ లో మనకి ఇన్వర్టింగ్ కంపారేటర్ యొక్క వేవ్ ఫామ్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఇది స్క్వేర్ వేవ్ లో వస్తుంది. Sinusoidal input signals తీసుకుంటే sine wave లో వస్తుంది. So here this is output value. This is for output values and this is for sinusoidal input signal. So this is output signal rather than not an output signal. So here this is for output signal and here this is for input sinusoidal input signal. Okay, so here in this figure we can observe that the output terminations either from minus Vsat to plus Vsat, minus Vsat to plus Vsat. Mana? Itla. So, or from plus Vsat to minus Vsat, or from plus Vsat to minus Vsat, or minus Vsat to plus Vsat. Okay, so here whenever the sinusoidal input signals is crossing 0 volts, here the sinusoidal input signals is crossing the 0 volts, in other words, the output changes its value when the input is crossing 0 volts. Hence, the above circuit is also called as inverting zero crossing detector. Inverting zero crossing detector. Okay? So, this is about the inverting comparator, and then we will discuss about the non-inverting comparator. The second one is non-inverting comparator. Okay? So here, a non-inverting comparator is an operational amplifier based comparator for which a reference voltage is applied to its inverting terminal and the input voltage is applied to its non-inverting terminal. Okay, so this operational amplifier based comparator is called as non-inverting comparator. Okay, so because the input voltage which has to be compared is applied to the non-inverting terminal of the operational amplifier. So then we will discuss about the circuit diagram of a non-inverting comparator. So here in non-inverting comparator, the reference voltage is applied to non-inverting terminal. In inverting comparator, here the reference voltage is applied to inverting terminal input terminal. Okay, so here this is the non-inverting input signal and this is the inverting input signal. So here in inverting non-inverting comparator, the reference voltage is applied to non-inverting terminal. Okay, so here this is reference voltage and input terminal is applied to inverting input terminal. Okay, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Okay, so here it has positive charge and it has negative charge. So it has the output and also two supplies. First one is SECC and the another one is minus VEE. Okay, so here the operation of a non-inverting comparator is very simple. So it produces one of the two values. It is plus V set. One is plus V set and the another one is minus V set. One is plus V set and the another one is minus V set. Okay, so at the output based on the values of the input voltage is VI and the reference voltage is V reference. Okay, input voltage is VI is simply denoted as VI and the reference voltage is simply denoted as V reference. Okay, so here the output value of a non-inverting comparator will be plus V set. Once I am telling, the output value of a non-inverting comparator will be plus V set, for which the input voltage VI is greater than the voltage reference. ఇది కనుక ఈక్వల్ టు ప్లస్ V set అయింది అనుకోండి, ఇన్పుట్ వోల్టేజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ద reference voltage and then here the output value is equals to minus V set, then the input voltage is less than the reference voltage. Okay, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. So here for example so you can draw a circuit diagram. Okay, so the non-inverting input terminal is connected to voltage reference. Okay, so here this is connected to ground. Inverting input terminal lo chusinapudu inverting input terminal ni ground ki connect chesam, but non-inverting comparator lo non-inverting input terminal ni ground ki connect chestam. Okay, so here this is sinusoidal input signal. Okay, it has positive charge and it has the negative charge. Okay, and it has one output signal. This is simply denoted as the output and two supplies. First one is plus VCC and the another one is negative supply. It is simply denoted as minus VEE. Okay, so in this operation here, the operation of a non-inverting comparator is explained that during the positive half cycle of the sinusoidal input signal, the voltage present at the non-inverting terminal. Here the voltage present at the non-inverting terminal. Okay, of operational amplifier. So here that is greater than the 0 volts. Here that is greater than the 0 volts. Okay, hence the output value of a non-inverting non-inverting comparator will be equal to plus V set. Plus V set. Similarly, during the negative half cycle of the sinusoidal input signal, the voltage present at the non-inverting terminal of operational amplifier is less than 0. Is less than 0. For positive, greater than 0. For negative half cycle, less than 0 volts. Okay? Hence the output value is equal to, will be equal to, here the output value of the non-inverting value is equals to minus V set. So I am telling, for positive half cycle, the non-inverting input sinusoidal input signal is greater than 0 volts. The output value of the inverting non-inverting comparator is equals to plus V set. For the sinusoidal input signal for negative half cycle, the sinusoidal input signal is less than 0 here, then the output value of the non-inverting comparator will be equals to minus V set. Okay, so the input and output waveforms of non-inverting comparator, we will discuss about the input and non-inverting waveforms. So here this is V input, okay, and this is T, this is O. So here this is the sinusoidal input signals. Sinusoidal input signals is square wave, okay, and then so this is sine wave. So this is V input and it has a plus V set. This is origin and here it has minus V set. Minus V set. Okay? So this is C. Here the sine wave represented as square wave represented as plus V set to minus V set and then minus V set to plus V set and then plus V set to minus V set and minus V set to plus V set. Here this is output signal. Output signal. Okay? So here from this figure we can observe that the output transitions either from plus V set to minus V set and minus V set to plus V set also. So whenever the sinusoidal input signal is crosses 0 volts, that means the output changes its value when the input is crossing 0 volts. Hence the above circuit is called non-inverting zero. Non-inverting zero cross detector, zero crossing detector. Non-inverting zero crossing detector. Okay, so here this is about the non-inverting comparator. Okay, so what is that? Mainly the comparator mainly categorized as two types. First one is inverting comparator and the another one is non-inverting comparator. Okay, so here this is the circuit diagrams and examples of inverting and non-inverting comparators. Okay, so here this is about the operator. Okay, thank you.